Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about the 5-year best performing S&P 500 stocks plus Tesla. So let's see which are the best performing stocks. AMD is number one with over 4,500% return in this period. NVIDIA is number two with over 2,000% return. Paycom is number three with 624%. Tesla is number four with over 600%. And ServiceNow is number 5 with over 500% return in these 5 years. So if we compare the 5 years to the 1 year return, what we see here is that we have a couple of stocks that are in both the best performing of the 5 years and the 1 year. And these are AMD, NVIDIA, Tesla, and ServiceNow. So all in all, 4 of the 10 top performers of the past 5 years are also in the top performers of the previous year. So AMD was number 1 in the 5 years and is number 4 in the 1 year. NVIDIA is number 2 in both the 5-year and the 1-year horizon. Tesla was number 4 in the 5 years and is number 1 in the 1 year. ServiceNow was number 5 in the 5-year and is number 9 in the 1 year. So if we take a look at AMD stock, it was a little bit higher than $2 in October 2015 and it's now approximately $79 in September 2020. So $10,000 in AMD in October 2015 would be worth of approximately $400,000 today. So the stock price is about 39 times higher than it was 5 years ago. Similar picture for NVIDIA. It was a little bit higher than $23 September 2015. It is now approximately $500. So $10,000 in NVIDIA would be worth $219,000 today. So the stock price is about 22 times higher than it was. A similar picture for ServiceNow. It was a little bit higher than $81. Today is $452. So $10,000 in ServiceNow would be worth $55,000 today, 5.5 times higher than it was, the stock price. So let's take a look at the price to earnings ratio. AMD has a price earnings ratio 148. This was up to 178 in June 2019. NVIDIA has a price to earnings ratio of 87 as of September 2020. ServiceNow has a price to earnings ratio to 120, and this was up to 13,000 in June 2019. Tesla has a price to earnings ratio of 962. So the price to earnings ratio of Tesla might seem to be too high, but one has to take into account that an expected surge in sales and profits is expected to happen in the following quarters and years, which is expected to reduce the price to earnings ratio quite significantly. Of course, we have to take into account what will happen to the stock price to see how the price to earnings ratio will move. But for every investment, we have to know that there will be stock drops, even to the best performing stocks. For example, AMD, it was $32 in September 2018, but it fell to $17 in October 2018. So this is a drop of about 47% in a month. Then it took almost a year to get to the prices that we saw in September 2018. So losses will happen in the short run for all stocks, even the best performing ones. A similar picture for NVIDIA. NVIDIA was $281 in September 2018, but it fell to $129 in December 2018. This is a drop of almost 55% in 3 months, and it took more than a year to reach the prices above the ones seen in September 2018. So losses will happen in the short run for all stocks, even the best performing ones. This will usually last for a few months, up to 1 year, possibly more. But we have to see a longer horizon to see how well the stocks have performed, and as we see in the case of NVIDIA, AMD and Tesla, they have performed quite nicely over the past few years. So the source for the data was Yahoo Finance and macrotrends.net. Thank you all and see you in the next video.